Hello, YouTubers. Hope everybody's getting ready for Christmas. Today is the 19th, and it is a product review and warranty. What we have here is Stanley thermos. Everybody's seen them. I had one for approximately 15, 18 years, quite a few years. And it was starting to get some corrosion around the edge and around the edge. And I had my son send it into Stanley, which has been building great products since 1913. That's how long Stanley's been around. My son sent in an email request on their warranty, and they said take pictures of the problem, and if we feel it is necessary, we will replace it. Also, the cup had a dent in it and no longer screwed onto the top. My son sent in the pictures, that way it was no way affiliated with my YouTube channel. And they sent us a brand new thermos, no shipping and handling charges, nothing. Outstanding customer service warranty. Next one up on the block, Leatherman. Again, this Leatherman, well, not this Leatherman, but the Leatherman rebar and the Leatherman company, outstanding. Like I said, this is another product that I've had for at least 20 years. And all the blades inside were wiggly and jiggly and didn't open and close properly anymore from years of use. And this is their old model where you cannot tighten up the hinges yourself. Leatherman said send it in, we'll look at it, and we'll either repair or replace. Well, 5 weeks later, I received a brand new Leatherman rebar. So, thumbs up to Leatherman. Outstanding. Now, we do have a thumbs down in this product review also. Everybody knows Maglite. And I am a construction worker, I am a plumber by trade, and Maglites were cheap. And basically, if bulbs went out or whatever the reason, I was in whatever store, I'd pick up another one and I just throw the old one in the toolbox. Well, I accumulated in between 7 and 10 of them, and they all had problems for one reason or another. And I sent the product into Maglite. They said send the product in for review, and at the time I was leader of the Boy Scouts and both my sons were in the troop, and I figured it would be a good thing to give all the Scouts a flashlight. And I got a letter back from Maglite saying that was all 10 of them was due to neglect and abuse, that they would not replace them or return them without me paying for the shipping and handling. So, Maglite, you get thumbs down. You don't warranty your product that well. And also, I stated that it was for the Boy Scouts when I was troop leader. Alright, next product I have to give a thumbs up to, and this product came out of PMP, and that is the Sasha tarp. And in my previous video, I had it set up as just a tarp with a contractor trash bag on the ground. Now I have it covering my jungle hammock, and it's been up for about 2 weeks in both positions, and I have not had a drop of rain hit me yet or go through the tarp. There was no water on the contractor's trash bag, and a week I've probably had 5 rainstorms in. Now since I've set it up on the hammock, it's been a week. It's gone through about 5 rainstorms again, and there has not been a drop of water on the hammock below. So Snug Pack Sasha 2, thumbs up. PMP, thanks for sending me a great product. A little trick to anybody hammock camping in anywhere in the world. On your guy line, you want to attach some kind of string or something. When it does rain, it stops the water from traveling into your tent. It goes down and drips on the ground, and it doesn't continue down into your hammock. I like hammock camping in South Florida because we have 4 of the most poisonous snakes in the United States, which would be timber rattler, copperhead, water moccasin, and coral snake. We also have scorpions and other creepy crawlies that bite and might send you to the hospital. So I prefer camping and sleeping up off the ground when possible. And that's my product review on the 4 products that I've got here. Stanley, great company, outstanding. Warranty is excellent. Leatherman, you can't ask for a better tool or better customer service. Snug Pack Sasha 2, the tarp is performing better than expected. It definitely gets a thumbs up. Maglite, once again, you disappointed me, and you disappointed the Boy Scouts of America. So you get a thumbs down. I will never buy one of your products again. And other than that, stay tuned for more product reviews, unboxings, hunting, camping, and outdoor activity sports. We also have the giveaway coming up soon. You'll receive some bag that I receive, whether it's a backpack, sling bag, duffel bag, whatever, something that's been advertised on the show, and it will be filled with $250 worth of merchandise. And that's not MSRP. That is basically, it's going to be Amazon prices. You're definitely going to get more than your money's worth. I just need to hit 1,000 subscribers and get monetized by YouTube, and then you will have to send me some type of video of you and your family or your friends exploring nature, being outdoors, whether it be hunting, shooting, fishing, backpacking, rock climbing. Something to make me happy, smile, show me that you're enjoying the outdoors. Other than that, till the next time, we'll see you later. Everybody have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you later.